Alrighty friends, so what we've got here is the SJRC F11 Gimbal, and we've got the Ruko F11 Gimbal. And I had a vision of putting both of them up in the air and then just switching between controllers so I could actually show them both. Unfortunately, my fingers were freezing and I wasn't able to connect both of them. I was able to connect the Ruko though, so let's check out this beautiful Michigan winter day.